Welcome to the very awaited question. I've always been asked this question a lot about research and everything. So finally, we are here today. I'm going to make it very brief. It's just going to be opportunities for remote research. So something that you can do from your home country while you are in medical school or doing internship during MBBS. So that's the point of this presentation. I will begin by introducing something about research if you're not aware about it, just giving a very brief overview of what can be done, what are your options, and how can you approach it. So that's basically a very brief overview. It'll be up to you to actually go and see every link and figure out how exactly to do. It's not spoon feeding, but yes, hopefully this will be an interesting session, and let's begin. So I always start with this quote. It's my favorite, which says that working hard is important, but there's something that matters even more: believing in yourself. So for every student out there, definitely put in hard work. You've come into MBBS, you are smart, you are capable. You're capable of working hard, but don't ever stop believing in yourself and go that extra mile. So first of all, what do you mean by research? So there are so many things in research that we just get confused. What should we do? How should we get publications? How should we build our CV? And you can start with anything from basic research, which usually is not that well done or that much done in India or maybe in our medical schools. So this is something that is usually done when people are completely into research. What is important for us at this level in MBBS is clinical research. Now, clinical research can be of two types. You can have experimental studies where you have clinical trials, etc. That is a little out of scope at our level, like especially at the students level, because you would like to begin studying ABCD and then go to complex words. So what you would like to begin with are observational research. So here you have something called a single case report, case series, other diagnostic studies, etc. And epidemiological research. This is also very well established in India. A lot of your professors might be doing it. You may or may not know. So it's very good to understand what epidemiological research is: cohort studies, case control, cross-sectional. So these are basically studies which are done using the patients and the database of your hospital. So for that, you will need an access to the patient data of your hospital.